I don't know if any of you guys have looked for quick change pallet forks lately, but it's ridiculous. So I basically found the cheapest that I could find on Craigslist. Still had to pay $500 for these. Pretty good, I believe. But one of the forks is a little bent. You can kind of see that. I think the guy did a lot of slab work. Teeth look okay. And then we got a crack right there. So we'll have to weld that in. And then that's okay. Maybe I'll try and fix that. And then I think we'll throw a coat of paint on it too. Alright, so for this crack, I got the down low from the welding guys. So we're going to drill a hole at each end. And that will stop the crack from propagating or spreading. Just because, you know, we'll end that stress concentration with a nice round so that crack won't have anywhere to go anymore. Break into some virgin metal there. And then what we're going to do is I'm just going to V this out really nice with my angle grinder and we'll just pour some weld in it. Whew. So the pair of Bradco forks we have, they got a nice D-ring on the middle. So I'm gonna add a couple on this. It's not the best spot up here, but you know, just for light chaining and stuff like that. So if you can see right there, this is actually original BOBCAT forks. It's kind of cool. Should probably get that off, but 671-2927 pallet fork, manufactured by IR BOBCAT Company, USA. So I think you can see, yeah, there's the remnants of a BOBCAT logo too. They look pretty good. Got that patched up. Just kind of went over. There's a lot of sharp edges and stuff on them. kind of annoying. You cut yourself on or get your glove snag on. So now I'm just going to throw a $20 paint job on it. It should stick pretty good. And then be off to the races. So let's head up north, load these guys up, go up to the sawmill, move some logs to the Kubota and give them a good test. That's where their permanent home's gonna be anyways. I don't know if we'll try and fire something big up and straighten them a little bit. We'll have to see. That's probably kind of a crapshoot, but either way, we're gonna use them. I feel like he's gonna run into me. He's just gonna take me out.
Controller there. They say that a different controller is better.
I guess so.
Bailey.
What's going on? Come on, girl. I know it's cold today. Woo! I should have a camera set up in there.
You make it?
Yeah, that's insane.
I'm really impressed. Up? What? They good?
Yeah.
That's right, right?
Yeah. He's gonna find the biggest thing he can to pick up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you.
Money.
Bailey.
All right, I think that's it for this one. The forks are a success. They work. Pretty simple video, but just, it's kind of cool. So I paid $500 for these, I believe. Put a little bit of paint on them. You can probably find some cheaper, smaller forks, but these are a 4,000 pound rated fork. They're pretty solid. And then, like we said, probably the coolest thing is it's You know, an old piece of American iron. You're not going to find made in the USA forks anymore. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you next time. Oh, man, this is hilarious.